Hey, I'm Katie with WTI, and I was really struggling to find energy just to get me through the day. I wanted to find a supplement that would help me feel energized, but not jittery, but something that felt steady. So I decided to try out the Activated You Morning Complete, and I have been so happy with this. I've been using this for almost a month. Right away, I did notice a boost in my energy. I felt like I could keep going all day long. I didn't feel like I had drank several cups of coffee in order to get that energy. It just felt like it was from me. It also has prebiotics, probiotics, and extra added fiber. Now, I am someone that takes probiotics regularly, so I did not have a run to the bathroom type of effect when I first took this. To get maybe a little TMI, it actually slowed things down a little bit for me. Taking this did help me feel very regular. So I would put a scoop of this in a glass of water, and I would take my little stir whisk and use that for a couple seconds, and then I would drink it. The flavor is very mild, it's a bit citrusy, and it is a bit powdery because of the extra fiber. I look forward to taking this every morning. I love the steady energy that it gives me. I love the regularity and that it doesn't taste bad. And that's just my point of view.